Egwu Onwa, the Igbo culture of playing under the moon. In pre-colonial times, Igbos used the nights when the moon was bright and full as a time for entertainment and recreation. On such nights, everyone old and young took part in something fun. People, having had their dinner around 8 p.m., would come out to the community square, socialize and play with other members of the community. There's usually music instruments such as Iwa, Ogene, Udu. During Egwu Onwa, young adults will come out to dance, play games, gossip, wrestle, perform stunts, play music and socialize with each other. The elderly will be found sitting around campfires, sharing drinks and engaging in fun discussions. Some other elderly people choose to socialize with younger children in the community by teaching them games and telling them folk stories. Even the sick weren't left behind, as they would be seen around the campfires, joining in and laughing along to the stories and discussions held there. Egwu Onwa was said to have therapeutic effect on them, as sick people get better after partaking in the night's activities. Egwu Onwa had no conclusion time. It went on until the people were tired and ready for bed. The following morning, the young people in the community were expected to come back to the community square and tidy up. Unfortunately, in present-day Igbo land, Egwu Onwa is one of the least observed Igbo cultures due to the colonial ideas that have tried to erase indigenous cultures.